15 video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you smart adjustments that now can be used with shapes. Now I've got a shape here, standard shape. Just go over to image and adjustments and you'll suddenly see, no, I can't do anything, can't change anything. But what you can do now is go to layer and smart objects and convert to smart object. So once you've converted to smart object, now you can go to image and adjustments, and now you've got the whole range of hue, saturation, etc. I'm going to select hue and saturation, and you can now modify hue, saturation, lightness, etc. Reds, and so on and so on. Now, once you've actually done that and decided I'm going to go for a colorize option, so you can see it's now blue, you can click OK, and that just affects that one particular layer. So that layer now is totally untouched, and there's no adjustment layers or other adjustments. So you can of course flatten and still do the usual adjustments that way. Now what you can do, you can actually modify the, double click that to bring up the blending options. I don't want to do that, but also you can disable it just by removing it that way. Also you can double click on that to bring up the dialogue, and you can modify the dialogue settings. Click OK. Now also what you can do, you can actually add additional ones, so you don't have to just stick with hue and saturation. Now you can actually just go to image adjustments and add another one, hue and saturation. So you can modify that. Obviously not much use particularly, but click OK. But you can see you can add multiple adjustments to that, and of course you can also add at the same time still filter and blur, etc. You can still add all the same smart filters as before. And also what you can do, I'm just going to click off that, you can actually go there, right click, and you will have the option disable as well as delete smart filter. So you can delete that smart filter and you can go that one, just hover over the top and then right click and delete smart filter. And I'll just quickly do that. And I say what you do, again, go to image adjustments. Now what I'll do, I'll just quickly go to the other one, just show you image adjustments. Again, not available, so you have to go to a layer, smart objects, convert to smart object. Once it's a smart object, both smart objects obviously now, but I'm just going to use this one. I'm going to go for image. Now one thing that's really odd, it should be really, I think, under layer personally, but of course there's new adjustment layer and you've got the usual settings, but image adjustments. Anyway, not black and white. So I'm just going to show you, you can, personally I think the location is slightly odd, but that's where it is in image menu, and that's where it is. So modify that, click OK, and of course, like I say, you can add multiple additional adjustments as well. Right, hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.